All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Austin giving you a review on the Adarac. It's a aluminum truck rack. This one I got it in the matte black color. Right on, looks good, looks good. And then the Lomax hard tonneau cover. So it was a cover and combo. I'm gonna say right off the bat, it's fucking dope. I like it. Works really well, very well made. I really like it. I bought a truck rack a while back. It was maybe like 5 years ago, and it did not compare to this. This is a lot better. I mean, it was $1,500, so you know, it better be pretty damn nice. But yeah, let me just show you a little bit about it and what I like about it. So first off, everything's really well made. This is non-magnetic. I already put a magnet up to it. It's some sort of aluminum alloy, very lightweight, but really strong. I mean, feels good. And then the bar that goes above it is actually like a rail. See how, like, it's a rail? Pretty cool. So you can actually add attachments to it in the future if you want to put things on it. I don't have any. I'm mainly using it just for this ladder right here. And all right, so I really like that. It's strong. I got my ladder on it. I was hanging from it earlier. Oh, one more thing I want to show y'all about it that I like is when you put your ladder on, there's like this little rubber thing on it, and it's good quality plastic, rubber, whatever the hell you want to call it. My ladder just slid across it instead of it like scraping across metal. Yeah, it just slides over it. Really like that. Comes with these cool end caps that bolt on from the bottom, and then, you know, this will, if let's say if you got something else right here, this will keep it from sliding off whatever you got up there, you know, wood, lumber. Okay, so this is just to kind of show y'all the components of it, this is the rail that connects to the arms for the rack. So it's all aluminum. I did a little bit of sealing right here. I used some roofing sealant, just to kind of keep the water from going in from like right there. And I just use clear, you can barely even see it. But so yeah, this is what it's a really good quality aluminum. I mean, it's black, looks freaking cool. I like it, matte black. Really strong, really not that difficult to install. And then this is the bracket right here that the cover sits on. So pretty cool design. I like it. This is how it's clamped on with these clamps. So it'll take you a few minutes to figure out how to get those on, but really it's not that difficult, and they're pretty cool. They work really well. It does not budge. It's on there really good. Oh, and one other thing that's cool is if you look at it right here, it actually overlaps. So this is my truck right here. So the metal actually overlaps it. If I can show that, what the hell did I do? Oh yeah, you see it right there, how it overlaps. That's cool. And oh, and then look, there's a piece of foam in between it that comes on the little piece of metal right there. There's actually a piece of foam in between it to keep water out, so that's really cool. Goes all the way down, looks really cool. So yeah, you got it supported. There's 4 of them on each side. These little clamps. There's 4 on each side. So you got like one right here, one right here, and then one right here, one right here. All right, the Lomax. This thing is freaking cool. Look at it, it's folded up. It even has little arms that it rests on, so it's not just clanging around everywhere. I mean, man, this thing's good. It's really good quality. There's the metal right there. It's some sort of, I think it's just, yeah, a sheet of aluminum It's all aluminum, and all the plastic is good quality plastic. It's not like some cheap shit. But okay, opening it up, it's kind of tight on the arms, and it touches my my strap up there, but just barely. I mean, it squeezes right by. You can't have stuff like hanging down like those chains and stuff, which I'm gonna get something else. That's just temporary. But yeah, you know, opening and closing it. I mean, look, it's got this gasket that goes down it. Whoop, goes right there. It actually just rained and it is dry. There's no water in here, y'all. I mean, couple splashes maybe from the very back. But besides that, everything else is dry. It's got some trash in here, a couple boxes. But okay, let's see. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's constructed very well. Like, I mean, this was already all assembled. I didn't have to put this entire thing together. Really, you just unpackage it, and once you get your little bracket in, once you have the rails installed, it basically just drops in on there, and there's two little bungee cords. I can't remember, but yeah, it's really easy to unpackage and assemble. I mean, I only read half the instructions, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. But no, you really do have to read the instructions. I read a good bit of them. It's pretty cool. Look, the way it drops in. I mean, really, you don't even have to pull the button. You can just push it down. Look at that, locks right in. Boom. And look, there's a gasket going across the back right here. So it makes a good noise. Like, it sounds like good and like snug in there, like airtight. But there you have it, y'all. The Adarac and Lomax. You got the ladder rack and the hard cover combo. Oops, forgot to put that back in today. Yeah, I like it. I recommend it. It was about 1,500 bucks. Man, it looks really good though. I recommend it.